Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to get the highest value in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is select the bottom of the data that we want to get the maximum value of. For now, let's try to get the maximum data for each day of the week. Without including the total, all we have to do is click on the day high sales row and click on the corresponding column that we want to get the maximum of. Once we're here, let's go ahead to the Home tab and go to the Editing group and click on the arrow button on the right side of AutoSum. Once we do so, a drop-down list should show up. Here, we should be able to select the option Max. Once we click on Max, we should be able to freely select the data that we want to include within our maximum reference. Let's say I just want to select from Jack to June, so I'll just click on Jack and drag all the way down to June. You can also expand sideways, but since we're only getting the maximum of this column, then we should be able to leave it as is. Once we press enter, we should be getting $154.93, which is the maximum within Monday. Now, to apply this to the rest of the data, all we have to do is select the lower right portion of the cell and drag it all the way to Friday. Simple as that. And there we have it. This is how we find the highest value in Microsoft Excel.